Have you ever wondered how to build a profitable online business from scratch? In this digital age, it's a question that piques the curiosity of many. Today, we're going to explore a real-life case study that illustrates just that. We'll look at the journey of an entrepreneur who started from ground zero and built a thriving online empire. We'll delve into the crucial aspects of planning, research, and execution, which are the bedrock of any successful online business. We'll see how these elements, when properly implemented, can turn a simple idea into a profitable venture. We'll witness the power of strategic planning and meticulous research, and how they pave the way for effective execution. So, if you've been toying with the idea of starting your own online business, or if you're simply curious about the process, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of building a profitable online business from scratch. The first step to building a successful online business is identifying your niche. The term niche might sound technical, but it's really just about finding that sweet spot where your skills, interests, and a market need intersect. This is crucial because it's where you'll find a community of potential customers who are passionate about the same things you are. Think about what you're good at, what you love to do, and what you're knowledgeable about. Then think about how these skills and interests can solve a problem or meet a need in the market. That's your niche. But identifying your niche isn't just about passion and skills. It also involves some detective work. You need to conduct market research to determine the profitability of your niche. This involves looking at market trends, studying your potential competitors, and understanding your target audience. Ask yourself, is there a demand for what I'm offering? Are there enough people interested in this niche to sustain a business? Who are my potential customers, and what are they looking for? There are several tools and resources available to help you conduct this research, from online market research platforms to social media trends and analytics. Remember, the goal is to find a niche where you can provide unique value. You're not just looking for a gap in the market, but a gap you can fill with your unique skills, knowledge, and passion. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to move on to the next step, creating your business plan. A solid business plan is the backbone of any successful online business. Picture this, a map. Your business plan is just like this map, a roadmap to your entrepreneurial success. It's a document that describes your business, its goals, and how you plan to achieve them. Let's dive into the key elements that make up this roadmap, shall we? First, the executive summary. This is the elevator pitch of your business plan. It's a brief overview of your business, what you do, and why you'll succeed. Next, we have the company description. This section provides detailed information about what your business does, the problem it solves, and who it serves. It's your chance to trumpet your unique selling proposition. Then, we move to the market analysis. This section is all about understanding your competition and knowing your customer. It's about identifying trends and themes in your market that can help you carve out your own niche. The organization and management part is where you detail your business's legal structure and introduce your team. Show who's behind the scenes making things happen. The service or product line section is where you describe what you're selling or what service you're offering. Then comes the marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? What's your plan to reach your target market and convert leads into sales? Finally, the financial projections. This is where you provide a forecast of your business's financial health. It's about showing that your business will be profitable. With a robust business plan in place, you're ready to start building your online presence. Building your online presence is a critical step in establishing your online business. Imagine your online presence as your virtual storefront. It must be as compelling and professional as any physical shop, if not more. Your website is your online headquarters. It should be professional, easy to navigate, and reflect your brand's personality. It's not just about aesthetics though, the functionality of your website matters too. Make sure it's mobile-friendly, has a quick load time, and most importantly, it's optimized for search engines. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. It's the art of making your website more visible to search engines, leading to higher rankings, increased traffic, and ultimately more potential customers. But your online presence isn't confined to your website. Social media platforms are an extension of your brand, a place where you can engage with your audience on a more personal level. Be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, ensure your brand's voice is consistent across all platforms. Use these platforms to share valuable content, respond to customer queries, and showcase your products or services. Remember, social media isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships and trust with your audience. And let's not forget about online marketing strategies. Email marketing, content marketing, PPC advertising, affiliate marketing, The list is endless. The key is to choose the right mix of strategies that align with your business goals and target audience. For instance, if your target audience is millennials, you might want to focus more on social media marketing and influencer collaborations. Remember, building an online presence is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and a lot of experimentation. You might not get it right the first time, and that's okay. The digital world is always evolving, and so should your online presence. Now that you've built a strong online presence, it's time to start selling your products or services. But remember, your online presence is a living, breathing entity. It needs constant nurturing and updating to stay relevant and effective. Now it's time to start selling your products or services. The digital landscape is vast, with countless avenues for commerce, so let's explore some of the most effective methods of selling online. First, consider your own website. This is your digital storefront, a place where you have complete control over the customer experience. Here you can showcase your products or services, tell your brand story, and build a community. But having a great website isn't enough. It needs to be user-friendly and optimized for conversions. Think of a clear call to action, easy navigation, and secure payment methods. Next, social media platforms. These are not just for sharing memes and holiday snaps, they're powerful tools for businesses. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest can be exceptional for visually appealing products. For services, LinkedIn or Twitter might be more effective. The key is to understand where your potential customers hang out and meet them there. Then, there's the wide world of online marketplaces. Amazon, eBay, Etsy, the list goes on. These platforms have an enormous reach and can provide a boost for your business. But remember, each comes with its own rules and fees, so weigh the pros and cons before diving in. Now let's talk about pricing. It's a delicate balancing act. Price too high and you might scare off customers, too low and you risk undervaluing your product or service. The secret sauce? Understand your costs, know your market, and don't be afraid to experiment. And of course, excellent customer service is paramount. Whether it's answering queries promptly, resolving issues efficiently, or simply saying thank you, good customer service builds trust and loyalty. It turns one-time buyers into repeat customers. Once you've started making sales, the final step is to analyze your results and make necessary adjustments. Because remember, building a profitable online business isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and growing. So keep your eyes on the prize and let's move on to the next step. The final step in building a profitable online business is analyzing your results and making necessary adjustments. This is where we step back, take a good look at our progress, and start making informed decisions based on data, not just gut feelings. Why is this so important? Well, imagine you're sailing a ship. You wouldn't just set a course and then never check your compass or maps, would you? In the same way, you can't just set up your online business and expect it to run smoothly without ever checking in on it. Your business is a dynamic entity, and the online marketplace is constantly changing. So you need to keep a keen eye on your business's performance and make adjustments wherever necessary. This is where tools like Google Analytics come in handy. Google Analytics, for instance, can help you track your website's traffic and sales. It gives you insights into where your visitors are coming from, what they're doing on your site, and which products or services they're interested in. This information is gold. It allows you to see what's working, what's not, and where there might be opportunities for improvement or growth. Let's say you notice that one of your product pages has a high bounce rate, meaning people are leaving quickly without making a purchase. You could then investigate further. Perhaps the product description needs tweaking, or the pricing isn't competitive. By identifying these issues early, you can make adjustments and improve your chances of converting future visitors into customers. But remember, analyzing results and making adjustments isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of monitoring, evaluating, and refining. It's about learning from your successes and your failures, and using that knowledge to continually improve your business. So don't be afraid of the data, embrace it. Use it to your advantage, make it a regular part of your business operations. The more you understand about your online business, the better equipped you'll be to make it profitable. By following these steps and continually analyzing and adjusting your strategy, you can build a profitable online business from scratch. Building a profitable online business from scratch may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. We've walked through identifying your niche, crafting a thorough business plan, establishing a strong online presence, and effectively selling your products or services. We also discussed the importance of analyzing results and adjusting your strategy. This journey may be challenging, yet rewarding. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay focused, and keep striving for your goals.